Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to connect Hayday with Facebook account. So let's get started. First of all, open your Hayday game. Then click on side menu. Then this page open. Here you can see different options. Helpers, friends, followers. For friends, just click on friend option. Here you can see different connect option. For Supercell Connect, click on Connect option and this page open. Then skip all things. And here click on Login and then click on Continue. Now you are login and you see all friend. How is login with Supercell ID? You can also log in with Google Play. Just click on Connect and Play. Here you can see Facebook login option, not available. It's because Hayday team announced on 2021 Hayday Facebook login removed from app because of some reasons. So you can only log in with Google Play and Supercell ID. So that's all for today. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.